NORFAREHAH from group 69 for LAX2014, my travelogue. This individual video will be based on my group's 7th meeting. So last week we have already submitted our first booklet on the recreation theme. So now it is time for us to prepare for our second booklet. The first thing that we need to do is to choose a theme for our second booklet. So me and my group members, a few days ago, we had our 7th group meeting and we discussed about the theme that is possible to be featured in our second booklet. So some of the group members suggested 3 different themes, which are fun, horror, and food. For fun theme, we focused on shopping malls because around UPM there are quite a numbers of shopping malls, such as IOI City Mall and the Mines. And actually, there are a lot of fun activities that we can do in shopping malls. For example, of course, the shopping, watching movies, play bowling. And in IOI City Mall, we have ice skating, while in the Mines, we can ride a boat or cruise in the shopping malls. Next, for the horror theme, when we talk about horror, there are quite a lot of ghost stories that we heard. I believe that none of us have ever experienced it ourselves, but we heard some stories from either our friends or seniors, and the places are, for example, Sangha Bahasa in Faculty of Modern Language and Communication, and especially in the old KMR building. Okay, for the old KMR building, I think that the building itself have given a spooky appearance because it have been abandoned for years, so it looks quite scary, I guess. But unfortunately, some of the group members disagreed on the horror theme. And next, food. For food, we focused on Kajang and Bangi because from what we heard, there are numerous good restaurants in Kajang and Bangi. So we suggested a few restaurants, which are Red Walk in Kajang, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri in Kajang, Red Cat Cafe in Bangi, and also Mr. Steakhouse in Sri Kembangan. All of these restaurants are located just nearby UPM, maximum 15 to 20 minutes journey from UPM. So and after further discussion, we decided to proceed with food theme rather than fun theme because from my point of view, for the fun theme, we focus on shopping malls and we go to shopping malls quite often, probably once a month. So I think there would be nothing new for us, but we rarely got the opportunity to explore the restaurant in Kajang and Bangi. So yeah, we think that it is better for us to go for the food theme because it is something quite new for us, quite a new experience for us. So for the food theme, we found out that we had some issues to choose between Red Cat Cafe in Bangi and Mr. Steakhouse in Sri Kembangan because both of these restaurants mainly serves Western cuisine. Since the menu is quite similar, so it is better for us to choose either one. And we finally decided to choose Red Cat Cafe in Bangi. So our final decision is that we choose food theme, and the restaurant that we suggested are Red Walk in Kajang, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri in Kajang, and Red Cat Cafe in Bangi. So for our next video, we will probably go to all these 3 restaurants for our lunch, tea time, and dinner. So you can look forward to our next video. So I guess that's it for our 7th video.